We're gonna start with the today's topic. Uh, just let me know if my screen is visible or not. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So today we are gonna start with the render module. So first of all, I have created one design. Then now I'm going to shift my workspace from design to render. Okay. So in the render, we are having first of all setup where we will assign the physical material. So here I am having the library Autodesk Fusion 360 library for like material library, additive material, non-linear material. And if you select someone as your favorites, you can add it in the favorites. So I will select stainless steel AISO 304. I can directly select this stainless steel and assign it to the body. Here also it is added stainless steel AISI 304. So it's already added. So this is how we assign a material to a body. It's a single body, so we can assign the material to a body, then it will assign the whole body. If there is assembly or something, different parts, then you can assign different parts, different material properties. That also I'll cover. So then I'm having the appearance. So in this we assign the color or something materials to the bodies or faces. Like I'll assign it a metal, stainless steel. So you can check it out from here. So see, now physical material and in the appearance, there is one difference. The physical material is when we assign the physical material, after assigning it changed to the body, the color that actually in the design. But after we change the appearance, it actually changed the appearance of the body. So what the physical material is, now the appearance is same. Sorry. Then we are having the scene settings. Here, for the rendering, the most important is the background. So you can select from here the brightness of the model. I can select it to the somewhere like here, then position it according to here. Okay. Now select it. If you want a solid color background, then you can select a solid color. Otherwise, you can select the environment. So in the environment library here, as you can see, we can select the environment. Like if I select this and assign it here, so see, the background is changed. Similar way, you can select a plaza or something that is available here. See, also you can add something from here. Like I'm having some downloads. You can add some HDR images, HDR files. You can just open it and then you can replace the background with the picture you had. So see, I'm having one HDR image, so I can add it also. As you can see, you can move it with this scroll bar. Now, actually, what is decal is something we can paste on our body, like a sticker. So I'm selecting it from my computer. I'm having like Fusion. I can select it here, and now see here it is assigned. I can make it somehow bigger, smaller, as per the requirement. You can see. Okay. So any doubts till now? Hello. So now you can see I'm sharing a photograph that we saved just a second before. See, in this way, this picture is already set up there, and we're having the decal here, and I'll use the transparent background. So the background is already removed, and this is the photograph I saved. Now coming back to the Fusion screen. See, it will take some time. It's currently in the rendering queue. Okay. So till the time we will see. There are some renders for this lamp already I saved here. So see, it's already rendered in the cloud. So we can download it. Download, there are three options. Download turntable as HTML viewer, download turntable as video or as a zip. So when I click on a download turntable as a video, then it will give a 360 rotation to the model and just create a small video. Like see, it's preparing your file for download. Just give me a second. See, saved. So you can see here that I saved it as a turntable video. And it's saved in such a way. Also, I have one more video you can see here. So in this way, you can render and save it in a cloud. Any doubts till now? Anyone? Make sure you got a very clear idea that how you gonna render, so that in future you can't have to wait for the things to happen. Like now I have to wait for this. It will take time. Otherwise, I'll show you. So please do let me know if anyone having any doubt in the rendering module. Hello, am I audible? So you now you know how to render something in the Fusion 360, how to save it as a picture, how to save it in the render, and how to save it as a turntable video. If you're having any doubt in the previous modules, you can also ask me, because we are having some time. So if you're having any doubt in the previous modules also, you can ask. Till the time that render will save cloud render, then I'll show you that also. Up to that, if you are having any doubt, you can ask. Like if you're having any doubt in design, you can ask, or any sketching part. Like I think you having clear idea how to work with these things. But still, if you confused in anything, you can ask. So that time I'm gonna change something here. Like I'm gonna change it into plastic. Change scene settings. One more thing, I didn't tell you about the background. Like when you select the solid color, from the color you can simply change the color. Like background color, you can change it from here. Okay. Also, you can change the camera view, like orthographic perspective with orthographic faces. In whichever way you think that your model looks beautiful, like whenever you show it to someone, it must be catchy. So that's why actually we do the rendering part. You can adjust the brightness. Want it. The timing, change something. So we'll get one render. So see that what we rendered, we got now we can save it as a turntable. We can save it as an image as you wish. Download image as PNG, JPG file. So you can download it in anywhere in your PC, or you can save it to the cloud. Also, you can download it as turntable video. See. Now, as you change something here, you can see that there's a versions created. Now it's gonna work for the video. Like it will take time to render for the video. Like if you rotate the video 360 and make a render. Good evening, sir. Due to some personal issue, okay, Venkatesh. I'll ask Rohit sir for the same. So anyone having any doubt till now, so that we can cover it. Like from the previous session also, if you have any doubt, you can ask, or any doubt regarding the rendering that we did today. Guys, please respond. So, okay, guys, you can leave if you don't have any issues, any queries up to now. I'm done from my side.